3, 2, 1. Hey, get started!
I was incarcerated for a long time, and when I got out, the reentry actually helped me. I'm trying to give that support back and help other people that are in my situation.
Had a parking pass printed out, we have some right here.
Today, we're just so happy to be here this early this morning to welcome all of our runners, walkers, participants, volunteers to celebrate another Reentry Rise Up and Run 5K fundraiser.
3, 2, nice.
The proceeds will be benefiting the folks that are coming out of jail and prison. We have about 29,000 individuals that come out of our jail system every year, and we want to make sure that they have some clothing to start their journey and their reentry into the community.
We're at Hellyer County Park. It's a gorgeous park. We have a nice lake, and this is our venue for our 5K, for our Rise Up and Run 5K.
It's so important for the Reentry Center to have events like this because whether a person's coming out of incarceration or those in the community, helping them get started on the right foot, it connects us.
Folks that are being released from our jails may not have access to the same resources or support, but letting them know that there's offices like ours where they can go and get that support without feeling like they're being judged, that's huge.
You know, people make mistakes like me, but it doesn't make me any different than you. We're all human beings and God made us all unique.
I think sometimes people who experience incarceration might feel a sense of shame for the mistakes that they've made, but I hope that you know that overall the community, we understand that people like you were not defined by one action. Everyone has a chance to start over it.
You guys are all rock stars.
To be part of an effort like this is being a part of a greater community. It really is about being in solidarity, and being in solidarity is the greatest gift we can give one another.
I think the more that you make events like this, the more other people will want to maybe be involved or be curious. If people could put things to the side and just give everybody the opportunity they would want. So I think that's one of the biggest reasons that events like this are important. And it shows the kindness that the road should have.